You know, earlier this week, my mom was telling me how I should dress up more and wear makeup, all that good junk, just so, because I'm a single lady and I should look for love, I guess, considering I'm already in my mid-20s. However, because of, our situation with COVID, I don't think dating is necessarily a good option at the moment, mostly because I don't really trust anyone. But my mom has a point. Maybe I should let down my hair, put on some makeup, and find a nice outfit and find my suitor. Or I could watch a 5-minute crafts video called When You're Alone, 29 Hacks to Feel Cozy and Warm. That sounds good. Miss your ex? I don't really have an ex, but okay. Oh. Okay, so we're filling up pants or stockings, tie it up, put a skirt over. Oh! It's a lap pillow. You know what? I think we can make this. I think this should all be good to make my makeshift partner. Alright, so I have the pants that are needed to stuff, and I also have the pillow fluids. By the way, I had to tie the ends of these pants because they are not stockings like the video had originally, so yeah, I just tied it. Okay, come on. Let's stuff these legs. This is gonna be a while. Alright, so I have the pants stuffed, and all we have to do is assemble him now. And here is the final result of my makeshift Ghostface lap pillow thing. As you can see, I kind of just grabbed a bunch of pillows together, shoved them into the clothes, and made this funny looking body. But the cool thing is that he has a nice lap. Then I ended up shoving like a bunch of stuffing in some like pantyhose, and then I kind of covered it with more gloves. This is just a random glove that my dad had, so kind of just did that. The other hand is actually a rubber glove, but because it doesn't look that good, I just made it like I hid his hand behind his head. But as you can see, this hand is stuffed too, very soft. I guess if you want him to pet you, that's a very soft hand. And Ghostface himself, if you can tell, behind the mask is actually a little Among Us plush. I couldn't find any other plush that was big enough or at least small enough to fit him. I thought this was a pretty good size. Some of my other plushies were a little too big, so the Among Us was actually a perfect size for the head. Initially, when I was making the lap pillow for Ghostface, I didn't think it was going to be that comfortable because it's just, pants with stuffing in it. But then I ended up taking a 4-hour nap on this, so it's safe to say Ghostface is pretty comfortable. Overall, 5-minute crafts really taught me how to make a makeshift boyfriend. Now, they didn't exactly teach me how to make the actual body part. I had to really improvise on that. He's made up of like 2 pillows, an Among Us plush, and stuffed pants, and stuffed pantyhose, so yeah, I had to really improvise that on myself, so really cool project. I guess if you're bored and have a Ghostface costume, you can make this. Anyway, thanks for watching.